Welcome to another PhoneSavvy.com application review. Today we'll be reviewing an application called Photography Editor. The app looks like this on your Android-powered device. Just search for Photography Editor in the Play Store of your Android-powered phone, and you'll find this application. It's by Black Mountain. And this is one of my favorite photography editing applications on the Play Store. It's extremely easy to use. When you bring up the application, it'll have a little step-by-step instruction for you. First thing we're going to do is load the picture, and then we can start editing it, and then we can share it with our favorite social networks or just send it as a picture message to somebody. So let's go ahead and hit load picture. It'll bring a little drop down where we can take a photo right on the spot, or we can load from gallery. So if I hit load from gallery, this will take me to my photo gallery on my phone, and we can go ahead and pick one of our friends and start editing. When you touch it, you can drag the picture around, and when you release, you'll have a list of options. Here we can make it bigger just by hitting the plus button and holding it. And here we can make it smaller, or we can tilt it. We can also do mirror image. And we can move it left, right by holding these arrows. And here's where the color, contrast, and brightness will appear. So if you want to add some color to the photo, make it a little more fun, or just brighten it up a little bit, you can go ahead and do so. And then we can start adding some animation to this photo. The little smiley face at the top, if we hit that, it'll bring a drop-down menu of the things that we can add. If we go to Add Cartoon, it will allow you to bring in a cartoon image to spice things up for any of the parts of his face. We can add a mustache, add new eyes, glasses. So like if we hit glasses, it'll bring a drop-down list of the glasses that we can add. So we can go ahead and select one of those and just touch and drag it to place it wherever we want. And we can tilt it to make it look a little more authentic. And then let's go back to our smiley face and see what else we can add from the cartoon. Let's go ahead and add a mustache. Why not? And let's make it a little bit bigger. Perfect. Let's go back to our smiley face and see the other things that we can add. We got a hat. We're going to have to add a hat for this guy. Let's go ahead and bring it here. And here's where the mirror image we should use. And then let's tilt it to make it fit a little better. Alright, perfect. Now let's go back to our smiley face and see the other things we can add. We can write text if we want. And drag that wherever you want. Let's go back to our smiley face. We can add effects. Let's say we want rain or snow or falling leaves. And we can increase the wind speed and the intensity. And let's increase the speed also. And we can also draw on our image. And we can also add a frame. Pick out the frame that we want. And then we can move the image around. And if you're all done, we're just going to go to the save option right here to save it to our gallery. Or we can hit the share option and just go ahead and share this with any of our social networks, or just send it as a picture message if we want in our messaging. And that is one of our featured applications of the month. It's Photography Editor by Black Mountain. Make sure you download that application, and also visit PhoneSavvy.com to find more great apps like this that you can get on your Android smartphone.